Intro? Nah, let's get to it. Samsung the Premier LSP7T. As we step into 2023, this projector emerges as a game changer, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology, stunning visuals, and user-friendly features. The Premier LSP7T boasts a native 4K UHD laser projection system, guaranteeing breathtaking picture quality that surpasses all expectations. Its laser light source ensures unparalleled color vibrancy, pitch-black darkness, and extraordinary clarity, while HDR10+ support amplifies the dynamic range for an immersive visual experience. With an expansive 120-inch display, your entire field of vision is immersed in the action, making it ideal for movie nights, sports events, or intense gaming sessions. A standout feature is the ultra-short throw design. Placing the projector just inches away from your screen eliminates the need for complex installations and rids you of annoying shadows. The built-in 40-watt 4.2-channel sound system, developed in collaboration with Harman Kardon, envelops you in rich and immersive audio. For those seeking an even more formidable auditory experience, seamless connectivity to external speakers is readily available. Samsung's Smart TV platform grants you access to an extensive range of streaming content, apps, and services, serving as a versatile entertainment hub. The intuitive user interface simplifies navigation. The sleek and modern design of the LSP7T adds a touch of elegance to your living space, making it the focal point of your home entertainment setup. In summary, the Samsung the Premier LSP7T transcends the ordinary, offering a cinematic experience like no other. Whether you're a film enthusiast, a gamer, or simply looking to enhance your viewing pleasure in 2023, this projector delivers on all fronts. Dive into an immersive world of visuals and sound, all within the comfort of your own home. BenQ TK700 STI. Experience the future of home entertainment with the BenQ TK700 STI, a projector that's redefining cinematic excellence in 2023. It effortlessly combines stunning 4K HDR image quality with ultra-short throw capabilities, offering an immersive home theater experience like no other. The TK700 STI is equipped with a high-resolution 4K UHD DLP chip, ensuring that every frame is a masterpiece of clarity and color. With support for HDR10 and HLG, the visual experience is lifelike, boasting rich and vibrant colors, deep blacks, and dazzling brightness. The projector's short throw lens allows for placement close to the screen, eliminating the need for extensive room adjustments and minimizing shadows. To complement its exceptional visuals, the TK700 STI incorporates BenQ's Cinema Master Audio Plus 2 sound system, delivering superior audio quality. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, immersing yourself in gaming adventures, or streaming your favorite content, this projector ensures an unforgettable audio-visual experience. Connectivity options are abundant, featuring multiple HDMI ports, USB connectivity, and wireless casting capabilities. Setting up the TK700 STI is a breeze, thanks to BenQ's user-friendly interface. The projector's sleek and sophisticated design enhances your home theater setup, making it a centerpiece of admiration in your living space. In summary, the BenQ TK700 STI is a pioneer in home theater projection, offering exceptional visuals, immersive audio, and ease of use in 2023. It caters to movie enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone looking to elevate their entertainment experience. Immerse yourself in the magic of cinema from the comfort of your own home. Veratech LumaVision Pro. The Veratech LumaVision Pro is a true marvel in the world of home theater projectors, offering advanced technology and exceptional performance that will redefine your entertainment experience in 2023. The LumaVision Pro boasts an ultra-bright laser light source that produces dazzlingly bright and vivid images. Its color accuracy is unmatched, featuring a wide color gamut that ensures every hue is reproduced with utmost precision. Whether you're watching movies, sports events, or gaming, every detail leaps off the screen. Versatility is a key feature of the LumaVision Pro, thanks to its short throw lens that allows placement close to the screen or wall, making it ideal for smaller spaces. The built-in sound system delivers robust and immersive audio. For those seeking an even more powerful auditory experience, the LumaVision Pro offers seamless connectivity to external speakers. In addition to its exceptional visuals and audio capabilities, the LumaVision Pro boasts smart features such as streaming apps, voice control, and advanced image adjustment options. The user-friendly interface simplifies customization, ensuring you get the perfect picture and sound for every viewing. The sleek and modern design of the LumaVision Pro complements any home decor, making it a standout addition to your entertainment setup. In summary, the Veratech LumaVision Pro sets a new standard for home theater projectors in 2023. Whether you're a connoisseur of visual experiences or simply seeking the best in home entertainment, this projector delivers on all fronts. Immerse yourself in a world of stunning visuals and immersive audio, all from the comfort of your home. Epson Pro Cinema LS12000. The Epson Pro Cinema LS12000 is a true marvel, offering a native 4K Pro UHD resolution and advanced image processing. Prepare to be mesmerized by stunning 4K content with HDR support, delivering lifelike colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail. It's a visual feast that promises to transport you to the heart of every scene. One of the standout features of the LS12000 is its exceptional brightness, ensuring that your images remain vivid and clear even in well-lit rooms. With advanced laser technology, this projector redefines how you experience brightness and clarity. But there's more to this cinematic wonder. The LS12000 provides flexibility like never before, with motorized lens adjustments, a wide lens shift range, and frame interpolation technology to eliminate motion blur. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or indulging in your favorite TV series, this projector adapts effortlessly to your needs. Audio is equally impressive, with a dedicated sound system that delivers immersive, theater-like experiences right in your living room. The LS12000 doesn't just project images, it immerses you in a world of sound and visuals. In conclusion, the Epson Pro Cinema LS12000 is a game-changer in home entertainment technology. It caters to movie enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone seeking the pinnacle of cinematic experiences in 2023. Elevate your home entertainment to new heights with this remarkable projector. LG-HU85LA Sine Beam. The LG-HU85LA Sine Beam is not just a projector, it's a gateway to a new dimension of visual excellence. With a native 4K UHD resolution and HDR support, this projector delivers breathtaking picture quality. Expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and stunning clarity that transform your living room into a private cinema. One of its defining features is the ultra-short throw design, which allows you to position the projector just inches away from your screen or wall. This eliminates the need for complex installations, making it ideal for smaller spaces while erasing annoying shadows. The HU85LA also boasts LG's Sine Beam laser technology, delivering a crisp, bright, and vivid picture that remains true to life even in well-lit environments. Whether it's a movie night, sports event, or an immersive gaming session, this projector ensures a captivating experience. But that's not all. This Sine Beam projector takes convenience to the next level with smart features. LG's WebOS platform provides easy access to a plethora of streaming content, apps, and services. The intuitive user interface simplifies navigation, making it a breeze to find and enjoy your favorite entertainment. As always, you can find direct links to the LG-HU85LA Sine Beam in the description below, making it convenient for you to explore this remarkable projector further. In summary, the LG-HU85LA Sine Beam is a technological marvel that caters to the discerning tastes of movie enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment experience in 2023. Transform your living space into a cinematic oasis with this outstanding projector. As our cinematic journey comes to a close, we hope you found the ideal projector for your home entertainment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech insights. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time.